Hey guys, I just wanted to say hi, and sorry I haven't posted in a little bit. It's been a couple days. Still just dropped another subscriber. Well, it's okay. It's good. It takes time, and yeah, I'm ready for that. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, I guess, sort of. No, not really, probably not, but yeah, I'll see you guys. Guys, one more thing to say. Wait, guys, one more thing to say. This is just a speed build of the set. I'll review this in another video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.